Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Eye? Eli, look. Eye? Eye? Where's your eye? Eye? Where's your ear? Where's your ear? Look. Ear? Where's your belly? Hey. Where's your belly? Belly! Where's your pee-pee? Where's your pee-pee? Is that the doggy? Dog? Mm-hmm. There she is. Mm-hmm. You want to go bye-bye? You want to go to the park when we're finished eating? No? You want to go play outside? Hmm? Hey. You want to go bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye? Yeah, bye-bye. You want to go play at the park? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Where's your daddy? Did Daddy teach you that silly trick? Show me. What did Daddy teach you? Where's Alex? Alex. Is Alex at school? Hmm? What is that dog's problem? I think she's jealous because I'm talking to you. She's not getting any attention. Where's Daddy? Hmm? Dada? Dada? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. 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 See you later. Bye. Yeah. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. You're so silly. I know. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.